with the 59, and pretty much what it was the clogged fuel line. I only have a metal fuel line with one of those cheap Chinese fuel bowls on it, and there was a big glob of crap in the metal fuel line. So I'll have to switch it over to rubber and put one of those inline filters on. But basically, using the rotary plow on either side, and then the tool right down the middle was good enough. I'm not going to touch it. It looks too pretty to go back with the cultivator, and just because it's narrow, it tends to you know, be a little you know, it tends to fall over a lot. So I'm not going to use the cultivator. It seems to be pretty good. Got 4 rows done, 125 feet. So it's roughly about 20 inches of rows in between, with a roughly a 20 to a 30 inch mound. 30 at the bottom, probably 20 at the top. So far so good. Just trying to see what we're going to do next. All right, took some time with the headaches of the gas line being gummed up, but once I got it done, the 59 did most of the work. Basically did rotary plow, and then just used the tool right down the middle to knock down the ridge. Didn't even use the cultivator today, so these came out good. So we're talking 120 feet by, what did you say? About 30 or 40 feet going this way, and then so we did beds up here and all of these. So Gravely did its job. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.